Elizabeth Soberano, born January 4, 1998, is an American and Filipino actress. Known for playing supporting characters in comedies and dramas as a teenager, she has since expanded her repertoire to leading roles in film and television. She has received many accolades, including a FAMAS Award, a Star Award, and 6 Box Office Entertainment Awards. Tatler magazine named her one of the most influential people in Asia in 2022 and 2023. Born in Santa Clara, California, Soberano relocated to Quezon City and began her career as a model at 13. She made her television debut in the fantasy anthology series Once Upon a Time, before her breakthrough in the second season of the drama series Got to Believe. She gained wider recognition for portraying a fruit plantation farmer in the romantic drama series Forevermore, which was the first of her many collaborations with actor Enrique Gil. Liza began her acting career at a young age, but it was her role as Layla in the romantic comedy series Forevermore alongside Enrique Gil that truly catapulted her into the limelight. Their on-screen chemistry garnered them immense popularity, with fans affectionately dubbing them Liz Quinn. Soberano found commercial success in several romantic films, including My Ex and Wise, for which she earned the Box Office Entertainment Award for Box Office Queen, attempting to shed her image as an on-screen couple with Gil. She sought roles in other genres and featured in the animated series Trees in 2021. However, Liza's journey has not been without challenges. She has openly shared her struggles with mental health, particularly anxiety and depression, during interviews. This candidness has resonated with many young fans, showing them that it is okay to seek help and discuss their struggles. Beyond her acting career, Liza is a passionate advocate for mental health awareness. She actively participates in campaigns aimed at destigmatizing mental health issues and providing support to those in need. Recently, she collaborated with organizations to promote mental health resources, emphasizing the importance of self-care and community support. Liza also uses her platform to empower young women. She has been vocal about women's rights and education, often encouraging her fans to pursue their dreams and believe in their abilities. Her influence extends beyond entertainment. She embodies the spirit of resilience and empowerment. In 2022, she returned to California to pursue an acting career in Hollywood and has since starred in the horror comedy Lisa Frankenstein. Soberano has been described by media publications as one of the most beautiful Filipino actresses of her generation. Additionally, Liza has ventured into modeling and entrepreneurship, launching her own makeup line, which aligns with her advocacy for self-expression and beauty. This entrepreneurial spirit reflects her desire to inspire others to pursue their passions and create opportunities for themselves. She began dating Enrique Gil in 2014, and they publicly announced their relationship in an article published by Yes magazine in 2017. Their relationship ended in October 2022, although this was only confirmed by Soberano in an unreleased interview in March 2023. In August 2025, Soberano confirmed her breakup with Gil on the podcast documentary Can I Come In? By filmmaker Sarah Baba. She is reticent to discuss her personal life on social media and refuses to share posts involving her family. On her desire to be private, she has said that she fears unwanted criticisms directed to people close to her. Soberano shares a close relationship with her siblings, in particular her paternal half-brother, Justin, and said, "I would do everything for him." She has expressed her fondness for her profession, but has acknowledged that being a celebrity was not something she wanted. When discussing her personal life, she has said that she enjoys domestic routines like grocery shopping, cooking, and doing home repairs. She recently starred in an episode of Can I Come In? By Sarah Baba, made in partnership with Represent by WeTransfer. The immersive art series identifies as a hybrid of podcast, cinema, and documentary, serving as a platform for art and vulnerability to meet. The episode was released on YouTube on August 14, 2025. Its bold title, Mind Your Fucking Business, encapsulates what Liza wants the public to know. Through the artistic project, she opened up about the traumatic experiences she and her brother endured as children, from being born to young parents struggling with drug addiction and going missing because of a kidnapping attempt, to experiencing psychological and physical abuse from people who claim to care for them. Soberano joined the Screen Actors Guild in 2024. She has been a spokesperson for many brands, including Maybelline, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, Cetaphil, Gcash, and Jollibee Foods Corporation. She also serves as the Chief Advocacy Officer for the digital banking company Maya. Soberano has studied psychology and considered being a mental health counselor. As Liza Soberano continues to evolve both personally and professionally, she remains a beacon of hope and inspiration for many. Her dedication to mental health advocacy, empowerment, and authenticity resonates deeply with her audience. By sharing her experiences and challenges, Liza encourages young people to embrace their uniqueness and strive for their goals. Liza Soberano is more than just a talented actress. She is a powerful advocate for change and empowerment. As she navigates her career and personal life, she inspires countless fans to rise above their challenges and pursue their dreams. Her journey reflects a modern superstar's ability to positively influence society and encourage future generations to be confident in who they are. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.